you feeling? You nervous?
Yeah, I am pretty nervous, bro, but also excited to see what the car does, like from the outside.
Okay, Jarryd San Giorgio, here we are
Yes.
finally. What's it like sitting passenger in your own car?
Wow, bro, it's quite a different feeling. It's not a place that I'm used to being, yeah.
No, I know.
Usually
I
I'm
know.
the only one behind the driver's seat.
Yeah, I don't.
wheel
You
of the
said
car.
only one other person drove this car, other than.
Yeah, it's usually just the guy that tunes the car. I mean, he'll sometimes take the car for a spin, but otherwise no one really drives this car.
Okay,
Yeah,
so
so you're the
no,
lucky
so I'm
one
not
tonight.
nervous. So, yeah, so I'm looking around
Yeah,
here.
I'm
You
a
see,
bit nervous.
yeah, of course. You said that you want me to just drive the car around here first, get the hang of it. What's so special about this car?
Well, what I would say is the most special part about the car is the conversion that it has, the K20 swap in the Mark II. It's an FN2 motor and gearbox.
I don't. Has anybody ever done that in Cape Town?
It was the first of its kind to be done, and there's a few Golfs that have now followed
Okay.
with the K series conversion. I mean, it's one of the best 4-cylinder naturally aspirated engines around nowadays. So I mean, it's a natural choice to go for, and I was lucky enough to have the opportunity to build a setup like this. So yeah, and
It's a very special setup. It's super unique. I'm just gonna ask straight up.
Yeah.
Like you don't fit the mold of a normal looking dude. Okay, let's fucking just put it out there. Okay.
Okay.
And neither does this car.
Yeah.
Is this car? Is this like a reflection of your personality?
Look, I wouldn't say so, but if you look at it that way, I would suppose so. Yeah, I like things that are, I would say, kind of different in that sense, and it's nice to have something and to kind of do something that not a lot of people, other people have, and that.
But that's the difficult route, though, isn't it?
I would say so, yeah, and time consuming, especially when this car was built, like you said. It's something that wasn't done before, so everything was like developed from scratch, basically, because all the mountings, everything is scratch built, all locally
But
built. And
how old are you, by the way?
I'm 24. I just turned 24 now. Yeah.
And you built this on your
Yeah.
own.
Well, this has been an ongoing project since I would say 2016. I was about 2021 when we started building this car. The car was previously 8valve, and then I started.
But Clint, the guy that I met you through, he builds a whole bunch of custom cars. You obviously learned some of this custom stuff from him, I would imagine.
Yeah, definitely. A lot of the stuff I've learned through working here over the years and stuff like that. But yeah, I would definitely attribute a lot of my skills to learning.
So what do I need to know about this car? What RPM am I shifting up at?
Well, there is a shift light to guide you with that, but the car is ready.
And I'm using this rev counter here.
Yeah, that rev counter works over there, and you'll probably be shifting at 8.5.
There's a second rev counter over here in the corner for you guys that can't see. So
I'll set the shift light
8,500
to 8.5, yeah.
Holy shit!
Yeah, well, it only raised to 8,600, which is considerably low for the
But
for the
that's
engine
still
like that.
super high though.
Yeah.
That is still super high.
No, it's a big change for me. It took a while to get
I'm
used to
definitely gonna
this
shift
car.
early just because I'm nervous about.
Well, I'll set the shift light sooner, then I'll set it at about like 7.5 or something
Okay.
like that. 7.5 or even 8,000.
Can we do it 8,000?
8,000,
8,000, yeah. I think that's a
8,000 is
safe
good one.
number.
Yeah.
And
it's bright as also you will
is
see
it?
Yeah.
And where's the light? Oh, there's the light over there.
Right in front,
And what? Anything about the clutch that I need to know? Accelerator,
I would say
brakes,
recently,
steering.
recently I changed from the stock clutch that's now got a stage 5 solid center button clutch.
I didn't even know there were 5 stages of clutches.
Well, that is what the company rates it as their stage 5 version of the K20 clutch. So it's a solid center button clutch. So on pull
It's super
the
hard.
clutch is super hard because
It's super hard.
Because the
Like,
firm
you
pressure
really
plate
gotta
is
use-
what you need to get that grip. Yeah, it's
And I can feel there's one bite point there. It's right
Definitely.
there. There's just one bite point.
Once the clutch grips, it grips, and that's the main thing that I'm happy about with changing this. But for normal everyday driving, it just doesn't work out. But for the application it's intended for, the race purposes,
perfect.
it works.
And how much power does this car make now?
Well, now at the moment the car's on pump fuel, it's making about 160 kilowatts.
Okay, 160 kilowatts. I'm driving the street version of the car.
Yeah. Yep.
We're gonna put the draggy in here and see what kind of times we can do. 160 kilowatts, but your best time in this car was
11.84.
11.84
with 181.
Jason Sassman over there, how's brother?
Yep.
11.84.
11.84, yeah.
11.84. Okay,
Yep.
that's your best time in this car.
That
I'm
is
obviously
my
not gonna
best
get anywhere near the time. What time do you think I should be to get a respectable time today? Just based on the fact that we're running not the same tires, different fuel, lower power.
Yeah, definitely with
Fatter
the
driver.
race condition. No, not at all. I would say probably in the 13-second region, the low 13s.
Okay.
Like that's where I would expect to, especially not knowing the car and being your first time in it. I mean,
So-
the car takes a bit of getting used to.
No, it does.
To drive it the way it needs to be.
So you said that this car needs, I need to drive it, I'm gonna drive it twice. First time I'm just gonna drive it off the line normally.
Yeah, just feel the car out,
Just feel the
basically,
car out?
feel the brakes out and stuff like that.
Okay, and then the
towards end of
second
line.
run, I'm just gonna, what RPM should I launch it at?
I would say launch the car at about 4,000.
Okay.
Yeah, try it out at 4,000 if it spins a bit too much.
Yeah, but I'm only doing two runs.
There is launch control on the car, but I don't have the laptop with
No,
me to set
I don't
up
want
the
it. I don't.
RPM, yeah.
Launch controls. I don't do launch controls.
No, on race day, launch control set
No, you
at-
must have it. You must
it's
have
at
it. on race
7.5
day.
now for race day, so it's a bit too high to launch. Yeah.
Nah, that's way too high. Okay, so I don't have much else to say other than thank you for letting me drive your car, and I will take very good
No,
care
I
of it.
appreciate it. I appreciate it.
Yeah, man, let's do this.
Cool, let's get it started. I hope it goes well. I hope all goes well.
I hope so too.
This is so weird.
You feeling nervous?
Yeah, I am pretty nervous, bro, but also excited to see what the car does, like from the outside and how it looks from an outside view. But now I think I should nail it. Should nail it. And let's see if we can get it.
Yep, so K20 Golf now. Yep, on the mount inside the Golf. Don't be fooled, but this is a very quick car in these 8 days. 12 seconds, nonetheless, on a good day.
So I think I crossed the center line there, but this time I managed to get some pace out of this car. And woo! Yo! That felt good. That felt really, really good. So sure. That was nice. That was exhilarating actually. That was very exhilarating. Once you get the car on the boil, once you get those revs up, there's just power there all the time. All the power's on top. Yeah, no, the car feels amazing and it's fast. I can see that if you can get grip off the line,
Yeah,
like you'll just
definitely.
build on that speed the whole time.
But the way the car set up now, it only really all comes together once you have the switch and everything to get the power down.
Yeah.
The traction is
Yeah, of course. I can feel there. I mean, once the car's going, then it's fine. It's just that beginning section. But I launched quite low, probably at 3,000 or 4,000 RPM. It's pointless. You're right. It's pointless going higher than that at the moment. Is this car got an LSD wheel?
it does have a RSI.
And I think that's why the car was pulling side to side. I was looking at the
car
RPM.
does, talks still quite
Yeah.
a bit, even with RSI. So you
It doesn't feel.
get a lot of that.
It doesn't feel like bad.
Yeah,
It doesn't feel bad when it's torque steering. It just moves across the road a bit. So it doesn't feel like it's pulling to the left or to the right. The car just kind of moves from side to side.
I know that feeling. But I mean, it's a first time for you once you get used to the feeling of that.
Yeah, of course. I was just saying now, I'm used to the clutch finally, I'm used to the brakes. So, now but dude, you got a special car, bro. You got a legit special car. No, you gave me the opportunity. And I was saying now, I'm never gonna get to drive something like this again.
Definitely, it is a one-of-a-kind build and experience. It's something different to drive, the way it feels and stuff in a body like this. And
It doesn't feel like any car I've ever driven. And I was just telling you today, I've driven like maybe 1,000 cars. I don't know. I've driven a shitload of cars.
I know, yeah.
This doesn't
That's why I
feel.
didn't mind letting you drive as well, because I know
Thank
you've
you,
driven
thank
all
you.
different kinds.
But this doesn't feel like anything else. It feels like nothing else. That's tight, bro. Thank you.
But in the future, there's many more upgrades to come from this car. I would still say that it's in the beginning stages of where it's at now. So yeah, there's a lot more to look out for in the future from this car.